What's going on, guys? So today what I want to do is I want to teach you how to do the Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube is considered a advanced technique, but when you break it down into its separate parts, it's actually only two very simple tricks. It's a half flip and a full roll, and then a half flip back out again. So we're gonna get going, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. Alright, so what is a Rubik's Cube? So what we're basically doing is a half flip, full roll, and a half flip out. Just like that. So where you want to start is just breaking it down. You just want to work on your half flips. And you want to get the horizon relatively level. And give yourself plenty of hang time to do it. Alright, so the next step is a full roll. Simple enough, right? So you want to make sure that you do those with the horizon level. You want to come out of it pretty level. Alright, so now we're going to give ourselves a whole lot of air time, and we're going to combine all three slowly. So we're going to go up high, half flip, full roll, half flip. And it's that simple. And when you get better at it, and you feel more comfortable, and you got the muscle memory, then you can do it closer to the ground. You could do it faster, like that. And it's just that easy. So let me bring it in. Alright guys, so I hope that gave you a bit more of an idea of how to do the Rubik's Cube. If that helped you, just leave a like, leave a comment, and maybe let me know if there's any other tricks that you'd like to see, and I might make this more of a regular thing, I might not, we'll see. But thanks for watching. Peace.